Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is our weekly analysis. What happened or what might happen this week? Last week we had some serious economic news, FOMCs, some speeches and stuff like that. So yeah, now we'll see. I think the market will be trying to reverse here and there. But besides that, we just need to continue following whatever that we need to follow. Ne? So let's check our economic calendar. What's really happening on our economic calendar? Tomorrow, which is Monday, there is none. There's nothing there. So you can see that we don't really have anything important that we can actually try to follow. On Tuesday, consumer confidence on Tuesday. This doesn't really move the market that much. On Wednesday, there's nothing. Remember, I just filtered only the stuff that I trade, which is USD. So on Thursday, Powell, or not Powell, FOMC members, they are going to speak 12 a.m. Oh, okay. They're going to speak. Let's hope that they're going to be positive, and maybe that will help the market to go up again. So we have final GDP, unemployment claims, home sales, consumer sentiment. So on Thursday we have some serious we have so many economic news. This actually don't really move the market that much, but just because they're happening around the same time, this might be a different story, right? So we have, yeah, this one is very important. On Friday is core PCE, and Powell is going to speak around 5:30. This is going to be very important, but I see the number went lower there. If these numbers are going down, that will be very nice for the market, as the dollar it's losing some momentum here and there, right? So yeah, you can also go on your CNBC, try to see what's really happening, and that maybe might help you guys. As I said, as I still repeat, yes, we still have this special until month end. Until month end, we are coming from $150 to $48 for 6 months. You can scan this QR code. Actually, you can just talk to me on that WhatsApp, or just scan the QR code. Let me know. Then now, remember last week it was 12 months. To join this with $48, and I said it was going to end on Sunday, so which means from Monday this is not going to be 12 months, it's just going to be 6 months, and we're just going to continue like that, right? So I will be also posting some normal prices that we have, but we just have this special on 6 months. Then you will see that, right? So I will be posting also the normal prices if you want that. So let's go. Now we are actually on, as usual, we start with Euro JPY. What's really happening on Euro JPY? We can easily see that yes, the market is still actually on this nice uptrend, which means the market is still continuing going to the upside. So if maybe I zoom a little bit like this, you can see that, whoa, this thing, it's actually, I can say it's a bit obvious that we might see number 6 there doing something like, you can see here we had something like that. So I'm expecting to see something like that. That rejection might actually reach our support before we continue buying again, because we are actually on a very nice bullish momentum or uptrend. And you know that when we follow this uptrend, it's quite easy, guys. It's just quite easy for us to see what's really happening. We had some sort of resistance there, but there's nothing we can do. If the market respects this area, yes, we can continue going up around that level, but we understand that there is enough chance for us, or sorry, for the market to actually go even lower before we see a very nice push. That is way too possible, right? So let's push to the next one, guys. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. So on JPY, you can easily see that yes, the market is still actually going up. The market is going up, very nice. So I like this reversal there, so which means the market did not really respect that level, which is fine. So I'm expecting the market to respect this level, the market to respect this level here before going up. I'm expecting something like that. You can see that we see a very nice support. The support area was never tested that much, so I'm expecting the market to respect that, unless if maybe the market will be respecting this level there, then we will see a nice push from that level. So we will talk about a downtrend once the market breaks out of the support. Guess what? We're not going to talk about it now until the market do something. If the market doesn't really break that, we are still on an uptrend. We don't really have to confuse ourselves. So which means we are waiting for buys. We are just looking for buy positions only. Now we are on Eurozar. I like this pair. I don't really trade it, but I like the fact that mostly the structures just make sense, guys. The structures just make sense. You can see that we had a very proper support there. The market is moving very nice. You can see there, and the market is been respecting that. So why can't we just buy here? I think we had a buy pending order, but the market was just consolidating there. But I'm expecting to see the market going up, guys. I'm expecting the market going up. But remember, this week we had so much stuff going on. We had some FOMC, and all those actually they affect the way the market moves, or whatever that we have, guys, as economic news. They affect our market movement, especially if it has to do with the dollar. And on the other side, GBP also kept their rates unchanged, but they did mention that they will actually look for cuts throughout the year. So that's why we saw GBP was going down. I think Europe was not really affected that much about that statement, right? So on GBP, on Eurozar, I'm still expecting to see the market going up. I think this is actually a very straightforward bullish momentum. So now we are actually on Bitcoin. So someone actually asked me, I said, Kenzo, how do you draw that support area, this line? You see this line? If you want to write something on this line, you can just right click that. I have sinuses. Sorry guys. So I was talking about this line. If maybe you want to write something, let me just, you can just right click on that line. You can see there's a template. You can go on the template and write something on that template. Then once you save that template, you either, maybe you want to write as a resistance or maybe support line if you want that, or you can also go on the settings. You can able to change that. So on this support, if I click that, you see here we now have this smaller support. Someone asked me about that. Maybe they like that. So yeah, I hope I showed you how to do that. You can just right click, go on the settings, then you can change everything, but don't forget to save. That is gonna be the template. But once you just draw it here, it won't just write here. You have to change it. So sometimes it can be a hassle. So anyways, we are actually on Bitcoin. What's really happening on Bitcoin? We can easily see that yes, the market is still actually on a very nice uptrend. The market is uptrending. We drawn this structure like few days ago, and I like the fact that the market did respect this number 3 here, because I drawn that one once the time the market was still around this level, and I said yeah, there is a chance for the market to respect that, and indeed the market respected that, which is good. So now the market seems to be playing around that support, so we might expect the market to continue going up if the market doesn't really break that support. If the market doesn't really break that support, yes, we can expect the market to continue going up. But if it breaks, we might see some serious reversals. Guys. For those who wants to join the mentorship, it is still available. If you want to join mentorship, guys, 12 months mentorship, it's actually $350. And I don't really see this price going down. The reason behind that, this takes time, guys. To make someone to be profitable in the market, it's not child's play. I have to show you the ways that we do, how to analyze the market, but it's not actually only how to analyze, you see. Also your mindset, the way you approach the market, also the risk management, all those things. So if I can say I'm teaching you for $50 or $100, it doesn't really make sense, because you're still going to make more than that. And it's also my knowledge and my time, and I know what I'm doing, guys. I know what I'm doing. So if you want to join our mentorship, it's $350. And yeah, if you want mentorship plus lifetime signals, yes, there you can get some discounts. Then you can just pay for $50, which means you're saving something. But I will be showing you the prices at the end of this video, or maybe on the at the start of this video, because mentorship, guys, it's a job. Like, too much stuff. I have to meet with you, teach you left and right. You don't really understand. I had to make you sure that you understand. And still, some people, they might need some discounts, or they will need you to make it way too lower. They don't really understand it. So to make someone to be profitable, it's some serious job. But by the way, let's continue. On DXY, we can see that now we have some confusing structure. We had a very nice, very nice, by the way, downtrend. It was quite straightforward. The market was going down, very, very, very nice. Guess what? The market just broke out, and then we started to look for a nice uptrend. Once the market was trying to go up, guess what? The market broke out. So we thought maybe now it's time for us to look for that sell. The market changed again. Now we're going up. So I no longer know what to do. So it means that once you start to see this type of a structure, sometimes it just shows us that, you know what, it's not really a good time for us to be in the market. You can see that. So instead of the market continuing, the market is breaking out. So which means here, guys, the structures won't be clear. Yes, we can say we have maybe resistance there, but it seems like the market already broke out of that. You can see that. So it means maybe by Monday, which is tomorrow, we just need to wait and see if maybe we get a proper structure, because for now, on my side, I don't think I have a proper structure. Things are not going very well on the structure. These reversals and stuff, they're not really good. So which means we'll just wait for tomorrow. I see the market going out, a breakout, but this, it's a push that can also give us another reversal. But maybe tomorrow, Tuesday, we'll have a proper structure, right? So now we are actually on USD JPY. What's really happening? On USD JPY, yes, we still have a simple, straightforward structure, but not that simpler, because the hour trend was just going something like that, but now the market has to reverse. But you can see that now we have something like this, which actually we're waiting for the market to break out of that resistance so that we can continue, or maybe the market will reach this support area, then we can start thinking about buying again. I think we are going to think about buying again. So I don't think there is much here. As long as we are on an uptrend, we are expecting to continue going up. Yes, there is a chance for the market to reverse before we look for that buy. Simple as that. So let's push to the next one. GBPUSD. Yeah, this is it's a different one also, because if you still remember, I think the market was going down very nice like that. You see that? Then jiggy, the market is going up. So we're thinking about going up again, but this one is not really difficult to understand. GBP, or let's say British pounds, they had some interest rates. I think it was Thursday. So Thursday or Friday. Then they said, you know what, we are going to cut the rate, quite similar to what Fed said, or let's say Powell said. So that was actually a negative for GBP. So that was very, very bad. So we saw the market starting to sell. So I think maybe if we have a reversal, we can still jump on that. Or maybe the market might end up going up again. But it's better for us to wait for that reversal, because this influence is the fundamental influence, right? Interest rates, they are like seriously aggressive economic news, but mostly from their statements. Their statements are seriously aggressive. So or they can make the market to move aggressively. So now we are actually on Euro USD. What's really happening? Quite straightforward structure. We are actually on a very nice uptrend. We had a breakout. Now after this breakout, we waited for the market to move a little bit. So we had a trade there. You can see we are in a very smaller profit, so I'm expecting to see the market continuing going down. This area is where I wanted to tell my people to lock their profits. Sometimes if I forget, just know that if maybe you are halfway, take profit there, just lock your profits or reduce your stop losses. Reduce your stop loss so that you don't really lose much. So let me remove this, because our chart, it's supposed to be clean. This is supposed to be like this, a very nice uptrend, right? So now we are actually on gold. It was going up aggressively. You can see that we had a very proper downtrend structure before we had this aggressive bullish structure. After that, the market started to consolidate, and guess what? Seems like now the market is coming back again. You can see that we have a very nice structure here, but on the bottom side, that doesn't really make sense. It means this is just a wedge structure. That's why after this wedge structure, we had this breakout because of FOMC. Then the market again reversed. So which means, yeah, we might see the market reversing again. Or sometimes the market might do something like this. And once you get in here, the market might even sell again to reach the actual support before going up. Sometimes the market can do something like that. If you have these things FOMO, sometimes you will think that the market might not reach this level again. So you might buy here just because you can see that it's a buy. Then once you buy there, yeah, it might get in a smaller profit. Then boom, you are in an aggressive negative again. And exactly on this support, once you lost everything, or once you are now about to blow, then the market reverses. And at the same time, maybe you lost, you no longer have something. But the thing is, you did not really know when to wait. Sometimes you just need to wait. Sometimes just wait. You see, unless if maybe you're not risking that much, you can say, I will get in, but I'm not gonna actually risk that much. That can also be good. But if maybe the market breaks this area, it means that the market will be looking to continue selling, but we are still on that uptrend, by the way. So let's push to the next one, which is US30. US30 was aggressively selling yesterday, but that was good. To me, I think that it was a very good thing. Why? Because we missed this type of a move there. But besides that, you can easily see that the market was going very nice, on a very nice uptrend. You can see this is a very nice uptrend. After the news, the market actually aggressively pushed to the upside. After that, now the market is coming back. This was Friday. I like that because the market might respect this support area and go to the upside. So what do you see on top there? What do you see there on top? So that to me, it's something that I can call it a very nice support, resistance. That is a potential resistance there. That is our potential resistance. So if maybe, sometimes it might not really be true. So let's see if maybe this is correct. Sometimes the market will give you this average moves. You can see this is quite similar to this average move that we have, or maybe previously you can see this move here. It's the same move that US30 creates. So this is correct. That is actually our resistance. If we had a buy, that was going to be a potential take profit there. So now we're expecting the market to reach this level. Then I don't think we're gonna miss this one. So on this one, to me, I think if it respects this area, we are going to buy there. Unless if the market is going to be breaking around that level, then we're gonna look for this area around 38900. Then we can say the market can actually go up after that, right? So for those who actually don't know, guys, I'm using EXNESS as I recommend this as a broker. I don't really get paid for that. I mean, these are not a really sponsored video, that we don't really work together. But there is a link if you want to join them in my description. To me, I think it's very, very good, especially with their mini lots, especially on Nasdaq US30. S&P, you can trade with 50 rands, guys, and that's good because you can start small. You can grow a very smaller account with that. You can trade with 20 rands on gold, but just know that I'm not saying start with 20 rands. I'm just saying that you can start small, right? So, and yeah, I think with that we're done. So let's go on actually on our Nasdaq. Or before again, I will be showing you the prices. Remember, we're still on that $48 for 6 months. So if you want signals for $48, yes, you can just let me know. So what's really happening? What's really happening on Nasdaq? Nasdaq is actually on a very nice structure. You can see that we have this nice uptrend going up. You can see it's been going up for quite some time, and I've been talking about it for quite some time. You can see what's really happening here. I like the fact that we saw these consolidations. You can see even here the market has been consolidating, but at the same time it was consolidating going up. Actually not sort of bad consolidation. So but what we have now, it's a very nice structure. If you check there, you can see that we have a very nice breakout. Guess what? This breakout happened. We had a buy, smaller profit. We were eating a little bit. Guess what? The market started to play games with us, and then the market started to reject here and there. But it's maybe because of Department of Justice. I think it's DOJ of Justice. I think they suing Apple because of their monopoly, whatever. Go check that, you will understand. So that made the Nasdaq to lose some momentum here and there because Apple was losing some momentum. Apple products actually, or Apple stock actually. Let's say Apple stock for those who don't really understand. So yes, we have this area as a support now. Sorry, yeah, this is going to be our support, our next support. So there is a chance that the market can consolidate around this area, and then after the market can push to the upside. That is what I'm expecting. So yes, it's possible we might lose. Maybe the market might end up going down. It's possible. Then we might see the market going down. But what I am expecting here is, if you saw US30 was around this level going down. I think US30 is gonna reach that resistance, which is gonna be the support. Once it starts to push up, even Nasdaq might start to go up. Let me show you what I'm trying to say. So this is US30. I'm expecting US30 to reach this level and push up. So when the market reaches this area, when US30 start to go up, I'm expecting Nasdaq also to do the same things. I hope you understand that. You can see Nasdaq has been playing around the same level, but US30s, they've been flying. But I'm expecting maybe Nasdaq to actually give us some serious momentum this week. So what's really happening on S&P 500? You can see that, yeah, I've been showing you the structure for quite some time, and I'm still very, very bullish. And what's really happening, I'm not actually on any trade. I'm waiting for the market to do what? To reach this level of resistance before we see a continuation, or maybe the market will be reaching this diagonal support before going up. Guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, please. I saw that I think maybe 50% of people who are watching my channel, they are returning viewers which are not subscribed, by the way. Please, if you smash that subscribe, this channel will grow very quick. Very, very quick. We can reach 20k very quick, right? So anyways, let's push to the next one. Which is US oil. I'm expecting US oil to go a little bit lower. But you can see that, yeah, we have a very proper support area on the bottom side there. So I'm expecting something like that to happen. Maybe the market will end up reaching this level. But what we see here is we have a proper ranging structure, and it seems like the market just wants to continue like that. But if it bounces back, I'm expecting it to reach this level before we go up. That's what I'm expecting. Nothing much. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.